Hey guys, Nathaniel from RC Insight here, and today I am giving you the next tutorial on my app designing series. Last time, if you didn't see the last video, what we did is we set it for our ball to, when it reaches the edge, to go back the other direction, because currently our ball was just moving across the screen. Reaches the edge, goes back the other way, and we added a reset button. So go check out those other two videos. I'll leave a link to the previous video in the description, as well as a link to the playlist for these videos. Um, so now, this time we are going to work something that's a little bit more complicated. We're going to have this set so that our ball now has coordinates, so that when we restart our program, it won't just, when we hit reset, it won't just stop the ball in its tracks, and then when you hit start, it'll start moving again. It's now going to move it to a specific location, some specific coordinates on the page. So first thing we're going to need to do here is click on screen 1, because everything right now in Designer, for those of you who have been watching and know what's happening, everything in Designer is good. You don't need to touch that. We just need to work on the blocks. So we just go to screen 1, and then when screen 1 initialize, we want to do some certain commands. We want to move this just for it to be sorted out easily for everybody. The easiest thing to do is to bring these down and put this on top, because this is the order that everything's going to be happening, and I'm going to want to be putting this up slightly and this down slightly, because I'm going to be adding some stuff to this and this. So now we've got when screen 1 initialized, we need to just, very simple, go to ball 1, and we need to call ball 1 move to coordinates. So now it's set to move to certain coordinates. This is why I needed to move this upwards. So this is the very simple part. This is all you have to do to move it to the coordinates, but it's just slightly more advanced. So then you just need math here, and we need to set the coordinates to 100 for this activity, and 100. You can set it to anything you'd like, but they just need to be consistent for both reset button and for screen 1 initialize. Actually, they don't technically have to, just as long as they're a coordinate that's on the screen. And if you've been following my previous tutorials, your screen will be set to fill parent by 300 pixels. So as long as it's within that range, you should be fine. So then you have to go back to ball 1, and again, call ball 1 move to same coordinates. So this is a very, very simple tutorial, and this is just very simply learning how to do the coordinates. So you're gonna wanna, you don't have to do this, but to make it easier for you to recognize what's happening, I'll do it this way. So now it's good. When screen 1 initialized, it'll move the ball to these coordinates. When start button's clicked, it'll start the ball moving across the screen like this. When reset button's clicked, it will stop the ball and move it to these coordinates, and when the ball reaches the edge, it'll go back. So that's very, very simple. So we're going to go to connect, AI companion, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to scan this QR code here. Got it. Okay. Wait for it. So now we've got both our buttons. The ball should come across, hit the screen, come back, and then when we reset, it moves it to these coordinates. Start, starts going, reset, moves it to those coordinates. Start, reset. So this is the next step. Hope you guys all found this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.